Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but the internet is not working problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon on the connected Wi-Fi. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Forget Network. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on the Wi-Fi again. Now from here, just enter your Wi-Fi password. Now from here, just tap on Connect. Now, if you have done that and your Wi-Fi is still not working, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now from here, just tap on Date and Time. Now from here, make sure you select Set Time Automatically. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected but internet not working problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.